Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about spring and how I decorate my place for the spring. I have some spring decor and a few pieces that I will pop. Now, the first thing I want to show you guys is going to be my light that I hung that I got from the Goodwill. I also going to show you a couple of paint projects. I'm going to show you a couple hauls I got and my patio. I want you guys to see on a tiny patio how you can put regular size furniture and it's still relaxing. All right guys, let's get started. I just want to show you a quick overview of my space. I do have a living room and a dining room that's an open floor plan, and I did use a divider before to separate the space, but this time I figure let me leave it open for the spring decor. Excuse the little specular highlights, you'll see a little green specks in there. So I figure like this, I really love this floor plan the way I did because I had the sofa under where the curtains and the window is, but now I have to change my curtains because of course the curtains are short now and you can see it. So this is the overall view. The first thing I did was I talked about the silver that I want to incorporate in the summertime and spring and summer decor. So I pulled out my silver, as you can see in my previous video, and I cleaned my silver. So I added these little beautiful pieces of flower, pops of color. I did a lot of roses, pinks, and a little teeny pops of yellow. So I figured just little pops of color here and there. I don't do the Easter decor. I just rather have it just floral and colorful. And again, just some more vibrant red roses here at the bottom shelf. Coming over, guys, is the pendant light. Guys, we hung this. This is gorgeous. If you was to see my previous video, I went to Goodwill and saw this for $7.99. And this is actually at Home Depot currently for $179. So this was the best deal I ever got from Goodwill. So the pendant is like a block. They're really extremely heavy and they hold by cable. And the lights inside are LEDs. Now, I used the swag because, again, I didn't want this permanent. I didn't hot wire it. All right, so here is my table. I did not do a tablescape per se. I just wanted my beautiful tulips. I put this in my beautiful silver, again, champagne bucket. So I pulled my champagne bucket from the bar cart and put it on my table. And I saw this in Dynasty when they actually had flowers coming out the champagne bucket. And this was such a thing for me. I was binge watching Dynasty. So with my table, I just have these beautiful flowers, these tulips I got about 2 years ago from Michael's. And the bucket, of course, is Goodwill. And I have here some marbles that are sort of the flat marbles. They're iridescent with a little blue tint to them. And then they're on top of the two silver trays. Coming over here, I just used my martini glasses. These are my favorite martini glasses. I think of curvy girls when I see this one. I bling wrap these myself and I just put them on little saucers. So again, I just kept it really simple. I wanted it clean. I wanted it basic. I didn't want a whole lot of stuff on the table for the spring. So let me just move back a little bit and I want to show you the overall view of the table, but the light, the pendant, guys, look at this. So basically, this pendant, again, I said is absolutely beautiful. I do have it plugged in, as you can see, in the wall. I didn't want it hot wired. So in order, because it's plugged in and I do not have a switch on it, in order for me to turn it on, I have to say, Alexa, turn on the light. There it goes, guys, because again, this is remote by my phone. I can turn it on with Alexa or Siri. Then this light switch is called Casa, K-A-S-A. And you could use any of your appliances, your lamps. You could turn on anything with these lights. I also use these for my patio lights and it's remote controlled. And as I'm coming over here, you can see again, I'm trying to get closer so you can really see the block and you can see the swag. So I put the swag in between. I divided the lights into twos and put the swag in between. And as you can see the LED right there, and you can see the specular highlights. These blocks are absolutely, they are heavy, guys. These things are extremely heavy. So the cable is really heavy and really thick. And I think it gave a beautiful glow over the flowers. Because I decided to change the space around a little bit and move the sofa and the bar cart, to me this gave it a nice open floor plan. So instead of me having the shelf, the IKEA shelf that's in front of the window now, if you was to see my blue living room tour, you was to see it. And then that tall tower, I had it as a divider. So now what I did was just switched it out, switched stuff around, guys. And I'm using my bar cart actually to divide the dining room from the living room, as you can see. And it's a nice open floor plan. And it's a nice view for this. You know, this is a summer look. A nice change. All right, I just decided just to keep my glasses simple. I'm using those martini glasses. I got the really girly ones. And I kept it in the kind of the pink theme with my flowers. And also these champagne flutes on the top shelf, on top of a mirror tray. The second one, of course, we know these brandy glasses, my sexy martini glasses. And I got these new glasses. You see the white striped and silver tall wine glasses. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I hauled these from the Goodwill. They were $1.50 each. I hauled them about 2 weeks ago, and they're absolutely beautiful. Now, coming down to the third shelf is the tray I did. Remember, I hauled this plate a couple months ago, and I wanted to do the resin art on it. So this is going to be for fruits and cookies and snacks. Here it is my cheese tray to the left, and then there's my knives to the right. Okay, coming on IKEA shelf is my lamp that I hauled from the Goodwill and shade and my 2 candlesticks with my topiary vases. So these are nice little spring color in a very simple and basic. And also coming down to the next shelf, I bought one of my candlesticks down, and you know my little chica, and my spring flowers or my beautiful pink tulips I made last year on my quick order video. Now, the third shelf down, I just hauled this. It's a clock I got from Marshall's yesterday. Very blingy, very cute. This is for all seasons. You could use this summer or the fall. It doesn't matter. I thought it was absolutely cute, gorgeous, and dainty. Okay, guys, the next thing I want to show you is this box that I hauled from the Goodwill. This beautiful glaze box I did. You see that shimmer? This is epoxy with glitter that I did with iridescent glitter, and I painted the box white first. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, and it makes a beautiful spring decor. Now, the front and the sides, I did brush strokes because I'm trying to practice. Remember, guys, that's how I was going to practice when I did my large canvas. So I think I'm going to go with this technique. I'll show you my tray I did. It has the same technique as well. So I use paint. This is paint only. This is gray, like a medium gray. Silver, white, and you can see the sparkle. I went back over it. I thought this would make a beautiful decor piece, and it holds this box. It just holds my remotes and my coasters. Absolutely stunning. Let me know what you think, guys. Now for my top shelf, I just decided to bring in my long stem calla lilies. I had these calla lilies last year. I put this in this tall vase that I blinged out that I hauled as well, my favorite store, along with this topiary ball and this cute little vase. Okay, guys, let's go out to the patio. And if you guys don't think you could put furniture on a small patio, you are sadly mistaken. Look what Mooregirl did. All right, guys, look at this table I hauled last year for $1. Yes, Goodwill. Along with this tray I hauled that was green and white. It was so ugly, no one would buy it. Now look at it. So I decided to put some refreshments out there and some spring decor. Everything you see is secondhand Goodwill. And I made these topiary balls as well. Look at this cute beverage dispenser I got from Marshall's yesterday. And I just put some nice refreshing water with lemon in it. It's very refreshing for the summer decor. All right, guys, and also look at this beautiful tray. You thought this tray was wood? Well, it is wood. It is not stained. This was painted, and I couldn't bring back the natural wood, so I hand brushed this to look natural wood again. So yes, guys, this tray is beautiful. I tried to sell it last year and nobody wanted it. So I said, just let me be artistic, and no one believed me. Look how gorgeous this is. Absolutely beautiful, and it's awesome for spring decor. Over here is a futon. This futon was a natural wood. It was nothing wrong with it, but my decor is sort of like this dark black cherry. You see this here? This round dish I got that from, oh gosh, Pier 1 Imports. It had to be 7-8 years ago. So that was my color scheme, along with this light I DIY. And here it goes. There goes my wreath. So this futon I got from OfferUp. It was $50. Yes, gorgeous. I made the blue pillows, the blue and white pillows. So look at that. So this is definitely summer decor. And here again, these lights. So I saw this DIY a year ago, so I repeated this, where you just use the basic string lights you get for the garden. And I just did the wood box, stapled it up as you can see. And on top, I just had flowers just hanging over and hung it by a chain. And of course, you guys seen the wreath that I hauled from the Goodwill, and the flowers from Michael's. I thought this light came out gorgeous, and you will see the nighttime effect. It's absolutely stunning at night. And it was pretty simple to do. It's a basic box. Here is my topiary that I did. Basic topiary. Again, the greenery Goodwill. This beautiful dark red black cherry tray it sits on. And there is my side table. This I actually had in my living room before. And I brought it out to the patio. So you see, this looks like a small, actually, sun porch. Look at this. It's a beautiful black cherry again. So when I did my plant, my topiary, I hauled this like this metal tin just a couple weeks ago. I have some soda lights and some stones that I got from Dollar Tree. And these vines again are Goodwill. Look at this. Look at the ambience of that. Again, there's my specular lights. I thought this was pretty. And at night, it is so nice. It's so pretty. And I can sit out, look at the palm trees, look at the pool. It's beautiful and just very cozy. These flowers was Walmart. The whole bunch was $1. I can't remember where I got this 3-tier tray. I don't want to say it was Goodwill because I don't think it was. And even though this is a tiny space, look, this is regular size furniture sitting on tiny, tiny patio. And it's not too crowded and it's very comfortable. Guys, so this is my small patio space with a couple pops of spring decor. I hope you like this video, guys. I hope you like the blue and white theme. I hope you like the futon I did over. Check out the before pictures again. The beautiful ambience of the light, the DIYs. You guys, when I go, I try to bring everything to you. So I try to use my creativity. So guys, again, I hope you like my decor. And thanks again for watching my videos. And guys, have a great spring. This is your Mooregirl. I'll see you next week.